Hello everyone, my name is Tharusha Sandaruwan. My badge is GDSE72. For my final project, I have developed an education management system using Spring Boot for the backend, HTML, CSS, and JS for the frontend. This system has been designed to help students and teachers manage classes, assignments, notes, and communication all in one platform. In the demonstration, I will first show you the front-end features, then move the teacher and student functionalities, and finally explain in backend structure of my project. Let's start with the authentication part. Here you can see the sign up page. A new user can register by providing their name, email, phone number, and password. During registration, the user must also select their role, either student or teacher. Based on this role, different features will be available after logging in. If user can't remember their password, user can change password like this. Next, this is the login page. Here, the user can log in with their email and password. At the backend, the system checks the validity of these credentials, verify the JWT token, and ensure that the user session is secure before giving access. This means unauthorized user cannot log in without proper credentials. After logging in, the first feature available is profile management. User can view their profile information and update it whenever necessary. For example, they can change their phone number, name, or password using the provided form. All changes are validated before saving to the database. This ensures that every user has control over their account. In the class section, students can view all available classes created by teachers. Search for classes by title, teacher name, or topic. Use filters to quickly find the right classes. Joining a class depends on the class type. If it's public class, student can join directly. If it's private class, they must enter the passcode set by the teacher. Once joined, the student is redirected back to the dashboard, and the class appear in their list of enrolled classes. After the first page, the student see is their dashboard. This dashboard displays all classes the student has already joined. Students can also click the plus button to navigate to the class section, when then can explore more classes and join new ones. We need to clearly explain the next features on student side. So let's go into an old student's account. Now let's open one of the classes. Inside the class, students have access to multiple features. A group discussion section, when students and teachers can communicate in real time. An assignment section, where Students can see their assignments and submit them directly. A member section option, allowing students to search and filter classmates and also start direct chats. This combination of features makes learning and collaboration easy. A unique feature of this system is the template creation tool. Students can create notes and exam papers. Here is how it works. The student selects exam paper category. They can edit section using edit mode and click on yellow highlight text. And add section like multiple choice section, short answer section and long answer section. Once the template is ready, it can be downloaded as a PDF file, saved for later use, and shared via a link. The student select notes category. They can edit and add section and note. If you don't mind it, you can remove it. After saving document, you can view its details, and if you want, you can delete or update document like this. Now let's log in as a teacher. The teacher's dashboard looks similar to the students, but with additional management tools. Teacher can maintain their profile information, create classes. When creating a class, teacher can specify class image, title, description, passcode, and priority level. And also, teacher can view all the classes, see how many students have joined each classes, and edit or delete classes. This gives teachers full control over how students join their classes. Teacher can also create assignments. To create an assignment, a teacher enters the title, a description, end date, point value, upload a PDF file with the assignment details. Once the assignment is created, it appears in the assignment list for that classes. Students can then view it and make their submission. This way, teachers can manage coursework digitally and students can complete tasks on time. Now, let's take a look at the backend part of my project. I developed the backend using Spring Boot following layered architecture. It includes entities for database mapping, DTOs for transferring data, repository for database operation, controllers for handling API requests, service classes for business logic, configuration classes for security and settings. For authentication and authorization, I use JSON Web Token. A JWT utility is used to generate and validate tokens. A JWT filter is applied to secure the API request and ensure that only valid user can access protect resources. The application property file is configured with database connection details, JPA configuration, login and token properties, Spring Secure configuration, cloud integration for file uploads, email service settings. This ensures a fully functional and secure backend. The front end of this project has been developed using HTML for structure, CSS for styling, JavaScript for interactivity. Together, they provide a simple, responsive, and user-friendly interface for both students and teachers. In conclusion, this student management system allows students to join classes, collaborate, submit assignments, and create templates. Teachers to manage classes, create assignments, and guide students' effectivity. Both roles to communicate, share resources, and maintain their profiles. It is built with Spring Boot, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and it uses JWT authentication for security. Thank you very much for watching my demonstration video.